Understanding stay reachable in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, stay reachable. This is a common expression in English, often used in both personal and professional contexts. Understanding this phrase can be really helpful in your English language journey. So, let's dive in. Stay reachable means to be available or accessible for communication. This can be through phone, email, messaging apps, or any other communication medium. It implies that the person should be in a position to respond or communicate when needed. Personal context. In a personal setting, stay reachable might be used when someone is concerned about your well-being. For example, if you're going on a trip, a family member might say, stay reachable, so we know you're safe. Professional context. In the workplace, this phrase is often about being available for work-related communication. Your boss might say, stay reachable during your vacation in case of emergencies. Understanding the cultural context is crucial. In some cultures, being always reachable is seen as a sign of responsibility, while in others, it's important to respect personal time and boundaries. Here are some tips to effectively stay reachable. 1. Keep your devices charged and with you. 2. Check your emails and messages regularly but set boundaries for your personal time. 3. Inform others if you will be unreachable for a certain period. Stay reachable is a versatile phrase in the English language, reflecting the importance of communication in our lives. Remember, while it's good to be accessible, it's also essential to maintain a balance with your personal time. Hope this video helps you in understanding and using this phrase effectively. Stay tuned for more English language tips.